how to do a parent discussion. Uh, you can use this present. What is the teaching method we use? So this is the teaching methodology we use. Anyway, teaching a regular class of grade 7th or 8th or 10th in school versus teaching for cities, the teaching method is very different. We know that. So, and every teacher teaches differently. So we have no barriers on you should do this or that. But we have given out some examples here. So you can look over here in this presentation. Some open-ended questions. Okay, that's a very interesting way to solve it. Can you show me how you got there? Instead of saying, okay, can you tell me next step? Okay, tell me next step. It's a very boring question. But you can have some interesting questions. The way you ask open-ended questions, it's very important. It builds confidence in the student. So along with teaching them the content, you need to work with them on their, you can say soft skills as well. How are they feeling when they're studying, right? So you can see there are some resources for you, how to use the whiteboard, what are the etiquettes we're looking for, visualizing ideas. If the student is struggling in theory, how do you help them visualize the ideas for them for better remembering, right? And then how do you end the class, and lastly how to wrap up with the student, okay, and how to do parent discussion. These are very crucial. So you can see there are 3 cases. I think you all had a very, very good lunch. I think it's Rajma Chawal or Chole Bhature. I have no idea, but you all are very sleepy. just get up, get up, get up, get up. Yes. Even I
And
want to have
the
like Rajma
session
Chawal.
is till 8 o'clock, ma'am. 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock was mentioned in the email with the Teams link.
Sorry?
This is for, I mean, I got a mail saying the meeting is from 3 to 8.
Oh,
Oh, ignore that. Ignore that. Meeting is going to be over in 5 minutes. But just be awake. Please be awake. Just be awake. You thought it's going to be like a launch access 5 hours of training. No, I don't want to do that on a Saturday. I have a life, by the way. So I'm going to end the call really quick. Okay. So there are 3 cases of parent interaction. I will share these files with you. When you feel more awake and alive, you can go through them. Okay. And work with the SAT Catalyst. We are very excited to have you. Okay. So you can see there are some cases, what to do when parent is there, what to do when they're not there. Of course, we all are adults and we know ways, but just a suggestion that you can do this if required. And there are some links at the bottom. You can see parent discussion and feedback. Okay, and you can just go through that. How do you start? What do you say first? Some teachers are introverts, so they struggle. What do I talk to the parent? I don't know. So that's why we collated this thing. Now this presentation entire of it is not relevant to you. That's why I did not put you in the demo training for as other teachers. I took you separately, but you can definitely have a look at this and see whatever overlaps. You can just consume that knowledge. You can ignore the other things. For example, how to deliver a fantastic learning experience. This may be relevant a little bit. There are some videos. There are some resources, so you can work on them. And now is the time for you to set up a mock with me. So for the next step, you're going to go through all the resources. Take your time. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's fine. But by latest on Tuesday or Wednesday, I want to have a mock with you where I'll be acting as a student. You will be acting as if you are live on the platform and you are taking your demo class. So we'll do a role play that way, and you have to deliver a very fantastic demo to me. Okay. Based on your mock, we will decide whether or not we'll continue with you. Okay. I'm very optimistic. Just make sure that you are well aware of the content. You have good subject knowledge. You're prepared. You know how to use desmos.com to showcase, use some graphical concepts. You can explain some graphical concepts using that. And I'll be a difficult student. I can tell you that right now. I will not be an easy student in the mocks. I will be a very, can say, a horrible student to you. So be prepared. Okay. What are mocks? You can get all the information here, that what are mocks exactly and how to book a mock. You will get that. I'm going to share my link for booking a mock with you in the chat box itself. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just pasting it in the chat box. Okay. You have to book and complete your mock by when? You can see today Saturday. You are supposed to work with me on a mock anytime between Tuesday to Thursday. Why Tuesday to Thursday? Because And then when you clear both, by Saturday you will have another training, and by the next week you have phase 2 training, and then the phase 3, and then you'll be live on the platform. It's a whole process. Everything is timed out, so I need you to book your mocks with me on Tuesday or Wednesday. Not try not to do later than that. Any slot works for me. Just open the link and you can book a mock with me. So I would request all of you to quickly select a slot. Let me know when you're done.
The recordings which you sent are demo recordings, right?
Yeah.
I was not able to access them.
Demo recordings. Okay, meanwhile, I'll just do that. You can all just book a mock. The mock will be of at least 1 hour. So please save 1.5 hours of time. Think of that 1.5 hours and then book. So which link are you talking about, Rini? Is it Om's, Hina's, Abhishek's?
All of them. I was not able to access
Let me
even the
check.
Canva design.
Let me check. Yes, okay. I have to ask Abhishek for this. Maybe.
Yes, ma'am. I'm booked.
I see Abhimanyu has already booked. Jitin has also booked. Thank you.
Done, ma'am.
Let me just quickly verify this for Rini also. Yep. Okay. Then Tuesday. Tuesday. Jitin, are you free anytime on Wednesday or Tuesday? Because then you will need time for mock task
Tuesday
also.
and Monday and Tuesday I'm not free. Wednesday I can do.
Wednesday, can you book one slot for Wednesday and I will just cancel this one, or can you cancel this one?
Okay, I can. I will take it. Okay.
Yeah, picks anything on Wednesday. Wednesdays, because on Thursday onwards, I will be assigning a mock task. So Thursday, Friday goes into mock task. Saturday, Sunday, you have some time to complete the trainings, P1 SOP, and then it's the whole process. So
Wednesday, ma'am, I can't book it. This
okay,
Wednesday is not opening.
let me check. Today there are no slots available. It shows.
Wednesday is not. It's in black. Other
Yes,
one
I
and
can
two
see
is
it's
in.
all full. It's all full. Okay, then we'll have it on. Can you do it Tuesday?
Tuesday is my daughter's baptism. I'm busy with that schedule. Tuesday.
Just check. I have 4 p.m. available. I have 5 p.m. available. 4 and 5 p.m.
It was a function in
Okay, okay.
our
All right,
church.
then we'll do
Mine's,
Thursday. Fine. No problem. We'll try.
okay. Thank you.
All right, we'll have to
Thank you.
space up a little bit. We'll be going very fast after Thursday. So you have to be prepared, Jitin, for that.
Okay.
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 Great. So I can see your mocks are scheduled. All right. So I'll be sending updates in the WhatsApp group. At any time, at any point of time, you can reach out to me. My number is there on WhatsApp, so you can DM me if you face any issues. Uh, I'll be making a list of resources again. I will share it again, which has access and everything. No issues are there. Meanwhile, I would recommend you to the link I sent you in the chat box somewhere in your device. I think that I think another is manual for SAT Mentor. It is already in the group. Yeah, manual is already there. I'm gonna still paste the link.
Manual is also not accessible, ma'am.
Let me see. So we recently shifted from Google to Microsoft, so everything has changed. I'll just have a look and I'll share it with you. I'm updating them. So this is your demo DSAT demo PPT. Okay. Then chat list. Yes. Okay. Okay, folks. Do you have any questions or doubts about next steps or anything? You can tell me now.
So we'll be using the demo PPT, which you'll be sharing shortly, right? You have not shared anything on chat, no, ma'am, except for the calendar link.
I'm putting it out in the group now so that it's always there. Just because the call will end. So, okay. Yeah. So you can go through this and I think that's pretty much it. In your mocks, I will be again, I'll just review, tell you what will we test. We'll test your Desmo skills. We will test your subject knowledge. We will test your teaching method. That's very important. And we will see the flow of the session. How are you starting? How are you ending? We will focus heavily on conversations. What kind of how are you talking to the student? How are you talking to the parent? Are you asking, are you able to discuss with them like normally? Don't sound like a salesperson at all. You don't have to talk about like a sales, or do you don't have to pitch the parent at all. But just talk and have a conversation with them, a genuine one, and see what you can tell them about the kid and what you can know about the student, and how do you plan to strategize. Okay, I see that she is struggling in this. However, I also see that she has one little habit of, like always skipping reading the question properly. So I think we can work on that behavior a little bit. And since it's a first class, I don't know much about her, but I think building on, when we keep going on, I'll learn more and I will strategize for her. So you can have a good conversation. Don't need to pitch, don't need to do like a sales talk. And in the end, you can simply wish them good luck, wish them the best, uh, and then you can leave the call after making the academic counselor the host of the Zoom session. That is the flow. I think that's from my end. I wish you all the best. Prepare, and if you have any queries, any doubts, you can just WhatsApp me and allow me some time to get back to you. Okay. All right. Any thoughts? Any questions? Anything you want to say? You can tell me now. Good. Are we good? Okay.
It's okay, fine. Thanks.
Thank you so
Fine,
much.
ma'am.
Drop off the call. Let me know if you're stuck anything.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, enjoy. Bye.